When connecting a surge suppressor to a load center, wrapping the neutral wire around the two power, or hot, wires that feed the surge suppressor from the circuit breaker mounted to the bus serves the purpose of reducing electromagnetic interference, or ME, and noise. When an electrical current flows through a conductor, it creates a magnetic field around it. In a residential load center, the power wires carrying the electrical current from the circuit breaker to the surge suppressor are typically in close proximity. This can result in EMI and noise interference between the wires. Wrapping the neutral wire around the power wires creates a common path for the return current. This means that the neutral wire carries the current in the opposite direction of the power wires, creating a magnetic field that cancels out the magnetic field generated by the power wires. Reducing EMI and noise interference by wrapping the neutral wire around the power wires has several benefits. Firstly, it improves performance. Surge suppressors can operate more effectively with less interference. Secondly, it reduces damage. EMI and noise can damage sensitive electronic devices connected to the load center. Wrapping the neutral wire helps protect these devices from this potential damage. Thirdly, it ensures compliance with codes. Some electrical codes require the use of neutral bonding straps or wrapping the neutral wire around the power wires to reduce EMI and noise. To properly wrap the neutral wire, follow this procedure. 1. Strip about 6 inches, which is about 15 centimeters, of insulation from the neutral wire. 2. Form a loop with exposed neutral wire and place it over one of the power wires. 3. Wrap the neutral wire around both power wires tightly, making several turns. 4. Secure the neutral wire with electrical tape or a wire nut.